ANZAC coin worth how much? Well, it depends on the year. So the 2014 ANZAC $1 coins, they made 22 million of them. So that is a high mintage, meaning that they made plenty, and the supply and demand drives price. However, the 2015s, 16s, 17s, and 18 ANZAC coins of the same design like this, they are worth holding on to. So varying prices depending on which year. This coin here looks like it's been cleaned or polished a little bit, and that devalues coins, unfortunately, for coin collectors anyway. But if they're your own coins, you can do whatever you want with your own coins. But yeah, if you are thinking about selling in the future, then probably advise against doing that. But let's check out what year this one is anyway. Boom, 2014. Yeah, that's got a different look to it. So that's collectors have a bit of an eye for this sort of thing, and they'll probably steer clear of polished or cleaned coins like that. Even if they are a low mintage valuable coin, it does devalue it in their eyes. Well, that one there had, it's an error that, see if you can pick it up, it's an error that isn't as popular, but it's called a wing tip cud. So on the end of this wing, there's a little blob of metal that connects the rim to the wing, and that's not supposed to be there. It's not usually there, and it happens sometimes on these Sir Charles Kingsford Smith coins. So you can maybe add a couple of dollars value. I'll put it aside for now, but keep an eye out for it if you're just searching for interesting things. Choggum. So the Choggum $1 coin from 2011. I'll just check on my list. Have I still got on my list? Yeah, $1.25 to $8. Oh, the Spewroo. The good old Spewroo. So this kangaroo at the top's had a little spew on the back of the second one. It's got a little blob of metal through there. So that's unfortunate. But it's unfortunate as in the spew. But it's fortunate for us collectors because that's a little cool. It's only a small one. But I like the Spewroo. It's got a cool name, hasn't it? All right, it's a 1984. 1984 Spewroo. Good stuff. All right, here we go. Another chance on an ANZAC. See if it's not a 2014. Oh, 2015. This is one of the lower mintage ANZAC coins. So this one here, $3 to $10 at 1.4 million mintage, sorry. So I think that's the lowest minted ANZAC year. Good little roll going fairly well with this one. I like this. Father of Federation, these can be rotated. Pretty worn this one, but we'll check it out. Not rotated there. Last coin. There we go, but that's pretty cool, that roll. ANZAC 2015 keeper. Choggum, lower mintage, 2011. And wingtip card, a little bit of extra metal on the edge of the rim over here. Cool. And the Spewroo error blob on the back of the second kangaroo. Cool.